Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Everything Business. Right? If it's your first time, thank you for subscribing. If you're a regular visitor, thank you for coming back. Do you want to learn how to do this? Stock valuation, LIFO, FIFO, AVCO. If yes, you are in the right place. So stick around. My good friend Salomie Dunkley will be coming to do this for you. Alright?
Hello everyone, welcome again. I did promise you that I'll be coming back to you with the LIFO method of stock valuation. Now LIFO method, last in, first out. So in valuing our stock, the last set of goods to come into the business would be the first set to be issued. Okay, so let's go. January, 20 items were received at $30 each. None was issued, so we now have 20 items at $30 each. And that total $600. Okay? We move on. We have another receipt in May. So 10 items were received at $33 each. May. $10 items at $33 each. None was issued. So we have 10 items, we have 20 at $30 each, and we have 10 at $33 each. So bring down the balance and calculate the new balance. So 10 times 33, $330. We move on. May, June. In June, we're issuing now. So you need to follow me carefully here. So we're issuing 6 items, right? So 6 items were issued. Remember, we're looking at the last in, first out. So we cannot issue from the first set. We have to issue from the last set that came. Okay? So we're issuing, how many did I say? 6. 6 items at $33 each. Remember that? We're doing the LIFO method, so we issue from the last. However, we still have the 20. Do not shift up the order. Okay, don't shift the order, you run into difficulty. Right? And we have 6 from 10, 4, right? So it's 4 at $33 each. So 4 times 33, 132. And we still have our 600. Okay? Good. In July, 16 were received at $38.50. 16 items were received at $38.50. What's this? So we have 20. And 16. So we have 600 $132, and we have 616. Remember I said we could total this to find the value of our stock for the month. We could run another column and record them. Alright, we're leaving out that for July. So in August, never received any. We issued 22. 22 were issued $46 each. Where do we issue from? What do you think? Yes, you guessed right. So we have to issue this last set first, right? So we can issue all 16. Yes, 16 at 38.50. So there's none left. How many are we issuing? 22. 16 from 22. How much do we have left? 16 and 4 is 20. We have 4. We have to issue this 4. We issue 4 at 33 each. None is left. Now we need how many more? 2 more. So 2 from 20. 2 at $30, sorry, each. And so we have 18 left at $30 each. Okay? So 18 times 30, $540. Good? October. So 12 items were received at, for October, 12 items were received at $39 each. So we have 18 and we have 12. $39 each. We need space. So 18 times 30, we have established that already, $540, and 12 times $39 is $468. Total. So the total value of our stock, $1,008. $1,008. That's the value of our stock as at the end of October. Thank you all for watching.